everyone. Once again, welcome back to Dr. Rachna's Ayurveda. In this video, I'm going to share you a recipe of Ladoo, anti-hair fall Ladoo. Friends, Ladoo plays a very important role in arresting your hair fall, especially when it is made out of this two Indian superfood. This Ladoo is going to be a very good source of protein, calcium, iron, trace multiple vitamins and minerals, which is a must to be included in your daily diet to arrest hair fall or for a better hair health. It also provide a lot of nutrition to your muscle and bone health. Also, it helps to balance your vitiated vata and pitta doshas and nourish your asti dhatu. By nourishing asti dhatu, as said before, kesar is a remnant or a mother of asti dhatu. So if you nourish asti dhatu properly, then indirectly your hair health is going to be better. How do we consume this laddu? You just have to consume only one laddu a day. You must not get overboard with this laddu recipe, because though it's a very tasty laddu, but it has to be eaten in moderation, and one laddu a day either in the morning hours or in the evening hours is advisable. You can have it as it is, or you can have it with milk too. So do make this laddu today itself and start having it for at least a month to arrest your hair fall. And even though if you don't have a hair fall, you must include this laddu so that you get a better hair health and overall health. So let's start making that laddu recipe for you. Come. Okay, our laddu is ready. I'm sure maximum of you are going to try this laddu, and believe me, once you start eating this laddu, you will start noticing a good difference in your overall hair health. So this seed which I have used, halim, is a super food for hair fall. It is one of the richest source of all the essential minerals and vitamins which is required for a hair health. So give it a try and let us know in the comment section how it turned out to be. So see you soon with the next video. Till then, bye and take care.